skirt. Could you feel my drunken swagger? I'm a full-time finger wagger. I get my first thought, break the math book. I'm gonna pick you up in this G-Wagon, and we gon' get to any way that I'm having. I put my pedal to the floor, from my finger to the air, and it feels so good and like, yeah, we can almost have it all.